Hello guys and welcome to Bustle Puzzle. So in today's video we're going to be seeing some movies that I personally love a lot. And before we go inside this video, remember to like, share and subscribe to Bustle Puzzle. So guys, the first movie on my list is Yes Day. Yes Day is a super fun, super great, awesome family movie which is like there are two parents who are like yes 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 their whole life, and suddenly when they get children they're like no, don't do this, no, don't do that. So then they hear about this thing called Yes Day. Yes Day is a day where you say yes for 24 hours. So then they try out this day and their whole day changes through that one word yes. So it's the awesome family movie to watch, and this movie is available in Netflix. So the next movie is Parent Trap. Parent Trap is pretty old movie, not too old. So there are these two twins who don't even know they're twins, and they come to a camp. They start off with fights, but then sooner or later they find out that they are twins. So they exchange places just like all normal twin movies. But then even though it's like the same story, they change places to meet their mom and dad. So I personally like Parent Trap more than other twin movies. So this movie is available in Hotstar. I saw it in Netflix before, but then I don't know if it's still there in Netflix because I saw it in Hotstar some days ago. So the next movie is Malibu Rescue. Malibu Rescue is such a fun filled movie. So it's like there is movie 1 series and then the next wave, which is movie 2. So the movie 1 is like there's this guy called Tyler who is a very very naughty boy, and his stepfather is completely fed up and he's like, I'm going to send you to Malibu Junior Rescue. So then he's like, okay, it's just a day at a beach. And then he goes there and he actually finds out that he needs to put his hard work over there, and he tries to escape and many stuff, and that's the story. Then comes the series. I don't know how to explain the series because it's consecutive episodes. There are only like 8 episodes, I think. I don't know. Then movie 2 is like there's a big event coming up, an international event, and they actually give a very very expired coleslaw to their enemy team, who is the Team USA. Then they get food poisoning, and it's like they have to be a Team USA. The next movie is Finding Ohana. Finding Ohana is such a sweet movie, and it also has the mix of it has a twist and treasure. It's a thrilling movie. Yeah, that's the word I was searching for. It's a very thrilling movie. Beginning, I was not watching it, saying I thought it was like a Hawaiian or some other language movie, and it was dubbed. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna watch it. No, we'll watch it later. We'll watch it later. Then my sister was like, no, we are watching it today. And then she put it. I also sat with her, and the movie was actually pretty good. It's in English. The movie was really really good. So this movie is also in Netflix. So Malibu Rescue is in Netflix. Even Finding Ohana is in Netflix. So guys, next is Magic Camp. Magic Camp is obviously about magic. I mean, it's not real abracadabra magic, just magician magic to like prove that I'm a magician. And so there's this guy called Andy, and he was a good magician, but then something happens, and unfortunately, unfortunately he stopped being a magician because his friend became a very very popular magician, and he unfortunately went too down. So that's the story. He comes back to the magic camp to teach the children, and he doesn't do a good job, but then that's the story how he how he does a good job to teach the kids. And then after that is Black Beauty. Oh wait, Magic Camp is in Hotstar. Then is Black Beauty. So like many people have already known the novel about Black Beauty. I don't even know if it's a novel or like a storybook, but then I have read Black Beauty before. It's such a calming movie. It's like about the horse, how its troubles and all that. Both Magic Camp and Black Beauty are in Hotstar, and both of them are great to watch. So guys, next is Descendants. If you love musicals, I think this is a good choice for you. So Descendants is a movie in which like all the evil people, and like Cinderella, the evil people like that. I don't think it's from Cinderella, but then Maleficent. Then I don't know some names because they don't specify the names in some movies, like Snow White, evil person, then 101 Dalmatians, and I don't know. Aladdin, the Aladdin evil guy. So yeah, so their children, they have an opportunity to come to a good place. I mean, so the king of, there are two lands, I forgot to say that. One is the evil place and one is a good place. So the good place, they actually made all the evil people come over there, and they like trapped it, so like no evil can come out. So then the prince to be, king to be, whatever, he is like, why don't we give the evil people, the kids, a chance? So then they're like, okay, why don't we go? And then Maleficent's daughter is Mal. So Maleficent is like, get me godmother's wand. So the story goes on like that. Then part 2 is there, part 3 is there. It'll take a long time if I keep explaining but then just watch it. It's a great movie to watch. So Descendants is in Hotstar. So guys, next is Double Dad. Double Dad is a Portuguese movie, but then we saw it dubbed in English and it was really good. So guys, Double Dad is like, she has two dads and she doesn't know who is her actual dad because her mom is in India and she doesn't have a phone because she is from sort of like a pilgrimage place who is like attached with Harmony and stuff. And her mom has come to India for a pilgrimage, something like that. So she doesn't know who her actual dad is. She actually didn't tell her mom that she's coming to meet her dads. That's the story. Like I said, it's a Portuguese movie, but I watched it dubbed in English and it was really good. Then next is A Christmas Prince. A Christmas Prince is a really, really happy movie. So there are 3 movies in the Christmas Prince title. One is A Christmas Prince Royal Wedding, and Christmas Prince The Royal Baby. All 3 are amazing. That too, it's not only about Christmas and love. It also has a small twist, I mean investigation twist, which is also like nice with the story. So guys, last but not least is High School Musical, HSM. So I didn't know the movie. I just saw it and I was like, no need. Then only I found out that was Vanessa Hudgens. She looks so young in that movie. You can't even identify that's Vanessa Hudgens. So I've actually known one song in that movie and I've actually danced for it before. But then only like I found out, like, yeah, I think I've seen the musical video too, but then I've not seen the movie. So I'm like, I think it's this movie, and then I clicked it. The movie was good. It's pretty old, around 2008, 2007, 2006 probably. So the movie was pretty good. There's HSM 1, 2 and 3. So it's all like high school. The name itself is High School Musical, and if you love musicals, again, this is an awesome movie for you to watch.